In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a Weverse app in English. So the first thing that you want to do here is you want to open up your Weverse application. So when we actually first boot up Weverse, so just click on Start Weverse, we'll be asked to actually choose the language that we want to use. So here, just choose English and click on Next. So if you want to log in, just log in. Here, I'm just going to use my Google account. So for example, you're past that setting and you can actually change the language that you're using it, so accidentally you choose a different language. So how do you fix that? So here, you want to go to your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. And here, just click on the gear icon that you see at the top right corner. And here, just scroll down a bit until you see the option that says app language or has the current language that you are currently using. So for example, in app language, make sure you choose English, and here in auto translation language, just choose English also. But if you want to use a different language, go ahead and do that. So just click on save and you'll be good. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.